Welcome all. Today I am going to show you a game from which you will remember your 90s. This was a very popular game in Nokia phones. Yes, this is the snake game. Let me show you. When I'm eating the apple, my height is increasing. And I touched the edge and the game is over. Let me show you what I have done. Now this is the code of the snake. Now when this click show, it switches the backdrop to blue sky. Then it sets score and length to 0 and direction to right. Now direction helps in telling in which direction it is. Now it switches costume to right. Now I have 4 costume: right, left, up, down. Then it goes to the center position. It forever repeat. If direction is equal to up, change y by 4, switch costume to up. So the direction changes to up when up arrow is key pressed, and then direction to down, it changes when down arrow key pressed and changes y by -4 and switches costume to down. And then it changes direction to right when right arrow is key pressed and changes x by 4 and switches costume to right. Direction is equal to left when left arrow is clicked, then it changes x by -4 and switches costume to left. Now it creates a clone of myself. Now when I start as a clone, it waits length seconds and delete this clone. Now length is a variable which I have made. It helps to control the length. I will tell this when I come to the food. Now when I receive game over, it stops other scripts and stop the script. And game over happens when this click forever if touching edge, then it broadcasts game over, and then hide switch backdrop to 2 and stop other scripts in sprite and stop the script. Now let me come to the food. When this clicked show, go to this position and this. Now we have x till 240 to -240. I have done till here because it will go very much here, and the snake, it would be difficult to touch or eat the apple. So that's why I have done this, and the same is with the y. Now forever if touching the snake, then change length by 1. So what's happening when it is touching the touching it? So I told that it is creating a clone. So when it's create a clone, it before deleting the clone, it waits more seconds so that the length increases, and then it changes score by 1. Then it goes to pick random this position, and then when I receive game over, it hides, it stop other scripts in sprite and stop the script. This is the game which I have made, and let me show you the backdrops. So this is the blue sky and the game over. I will be posting another video in which I will convert this game into levels. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe.